must have the refractive index equal to that of glass, less than 1, greater than that of the glass, less than that of the glass. Okay, so when such type of the questions are given on the geometrical optics or ray optics, you need to check it option by option. Okay, let me take the first option whether it is correct or not. Okay, see, suppose if it has to act like a plane sheet, at that time you need to get the refractive index of that should be equal to what, the focal length of that must be equal to infinity. So only for such cases it will be acting like a plane sheet, because for plane sheet the focal length of should be equal to what, infinity, right? So that's the reason. Now let me take the refractive index of the liquid. Okay, the refractive index of the liquid equal to that of the glass. Let me take that. Okay, so it has given that the biconvex lens of the glass, okay, it is made up of glass. A should be the right answer for this question. So so what actually happens, the biconvex lens acts like a plane sheet of glass when the liquid must have the refractive index equal to that of the glass. Okay, so this solves the problem. So to solve this problem, I have to use the lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula says that 1 divided by f equal to refractive index minus 1 into 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2. So this is the formula we have to use here. Okay, in the sense the refractive index of the lens is glass and it is as it is immersed in liquid. Let me take the refractive index of the liquid is mu l. Okay, let me take mu g is equal to mu l now. Okay, so in such cases what actually happens is, as the ray of light is traveling from the liquid to what, glass, right? As the lens is immersed in liquid at that time, so what actually happens, the ray of light should travel from water or liquid to glass. So that's the reason why refractive index of the glass with respect to liquid minus 1 into how much, into 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2. Okay, so clearly we have taken the condition mu g is equal to mu l. So suppose if I simplify this, I will get mu g minus mu l divided by mu l into what, 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2 I will get. So clearly mu g equal to mu g equal to mu l. So that's the reason why you will get the difference among those two is equal to 0 here, correct? So that's the reason why 1 divided by f is equal to 0 you will get. It implies f equal to 1 by 0, that will give you what, infinity as the right answer. So that's the reason why very good problem. So in the previous lectures I have introduced you about Unacademy as well as Unacademy special classes as well as Unacademy plus subscription, correct? So if you take the plus subscription offered by the Unacademy, so you will get the following advantages: the premium content at the affordable price and structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, and the quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, and there will be the batches for complete preparation, and there will be test series for DPPs, full length mocks, etc. with analysis, and a single subscription will give you for the unlimited access. Okay, if you use my code Satish 2021, you will get extra 10% off on the course fees. Okay, so here are some best plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. There is a 12 months plan at just rupees 12,375, and there is a 6 months plan at just rupees 10,125 rupees. If you use my code Satish 2021, you will get extra 10% off on the course fees. Okay, just they are offering all the subjects for physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. You can give a try by subscribing to Unacademy plus subscription. Okay, so let's move to the next problem. The problem says that the angle of a prism is A. So angle of the prism is A here. So one of its refracting surface is silvered. Okay, so this is the second condition given. Light rays traveling at an angle of incidence, okay, traveling at an angle of incidence of 2A. Okay, so one more information is given. So on the first surface returns back to through the second plane. Okay, after supplying reflection at the silvered surface, the refractive index of the prism is the question here, correct? So the angle of incidence is given as 2A. Refractive index of the prism, that is what, 2 sin A, 2 sin cos A. So that's the reason why 2 cos A. Option B should be the right answer for this question. Okay. See now, let me try to draw the ray diagram for this question, how to solve this problem. Okay, so as you know that there will be two refracting surfaces a prism usually has. Okay, so one face is silvered like this. Okay, one face is silvered here. Okay, so what actually happens is, if a ray of light incident on a surface, so here I have to draw the normal. I have to draw the normal at an angle of incidence is how much is given. This should be 2a, and this is angle of the prism is a here. Okay, so as you know that the ray of light somewhere should be, so it should be like this. Okay, here I have to draw the normal, and it comes back to the same medium in the sense what actually, so there should be a normal incident at the second surface, so that it will be reflect back to the same medium, correct or not? So that's the reason why this should be 90 degree. Which one? What I'm trying to say you that this angle should be 90 degree, and this is what angle A, so therefore it must be, so that angle must be equal to how much? A plus 90 plus, let me say, unknown x equal to 180 degree. So therefore how much I'll get here? So x is equal to 90 minus a degree, correct? 90 minus a, so this angle must be equal to 90 minus a, correct? So as you know that this angle should be 90 degree, this angle should be 90 degree, so this angle must be equal to a, because this angle, this is what, 90 minus a plus some unknown x, this angle a is unknown, let me take it as y here. Okay, plus 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Let me take that. Okay, so now what actually happens now, as you know that 90 will become 180 minus 180 will become 0, so that a is equal to y will get, so in sense unknown angle should be equal to a here. Okay, so let me take that a. So now I have to apply the Snell's law. Okay, I have to apply Snell's law at the first surface, sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction, so that must be is equal to the refractive index of the glass. Suppose if I apply to it now, what actually happens, sine of angle of incidence is sine 2a divided by sine of angle of refraction is sine a, that is equal to mu, correct? So sine 2a is something but 2 times sine a into cos a, because sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, that is equal to mu times sine a here. So now sine a cancelled each other, so what we left with finally, mu is equal to 2 times cos theta, 2 times cos a, so that is the 2 sine a, 2 cos a, 2. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Wish you all the best for examinations. Thank you.